Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any of our exclusive uploads. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Uspacy. So Uspacy is a tool that is going to give you the option to manage your tasks within your organization. You can assign tasks to particular employees, which means you can also add employee information to Uspacy. And the best part is there are also messaging options, which means on the dashboard of Uspacy, you can also chat with other employees of your organization. And as a bonus, it also has a CRM where you can manage your leads. And the great news is Uspacy is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is around $500, but at AppSumo, you are getting the lifetime deal of Uspacy at only $59. And as you can see, Uspacy is an alternative to Bitrix24, Monday.com and Notion. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal from AppSumo. So as you can see, you can create your company structure, you can create groups and then invite employees to your group. You can personalize your Uspacy account. You can internally communicate with other members. And there are a lot of other options. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $59 with 5 users. And as for the user roles, it is limited to 4 users. And here is the license tier 2 with a better limit. And if you want unlimited user roles, you can choose this license tier 3 that costs $199. And the highest tier is tier 4. Here 50 users can use it and the user roles is unlimited. So if you want to buy Uspacy on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Uspacy, you'll get this dashboard. And as you can see, currently we are in this newsfeed section. So what is this newsfeed exactly? If you have used social media such as Facebook, you will already know that what newsfeed is. And the Uspacy newsfeed is also the same. On here, you will see different types of updates from your employees. And you can also share your own update. So if you click on this, what would you like to share? Now you can enter a post title and then you can enter what is in your mind. For example, let's try to write something about introduction. So this is going to be an intro post. And then now let's write something here. So after writing what is your mind, you can also select if you want to make this status visible to all of your employees. And then you can also set the mood for your status. So it could be happy, proud. So let's select thankful. And then you can also draw pictures and the pictures could be in JPEG format, JPG format, PNG or GIF format. So once all of these settings are done, you can simply click on publish. And as you can see, so this is my name. And this is how I am feeling and I'm writing this to all the members, sharing it on my newsfeed and the post is about introduction and here is the text of the post. Now anyone can also react to this post. So let's react. And then you can also leave a comment and when you write a comment, you can also change the formatting for your comment. You can also attach files in your comment. Now let's send this comment. And a great feature is just like any other social platform, you can also react to this comment. So let's react to this comment. So as you can see, the reaction has been added. So this is great. The newsfeed is very similar to social media newsfeeds. And on the right side, as you can see the upcoming birthdays for your employees. Now you can obviously ask how to add employees to your account on Uspacy. For that, you can go to this company and people, and then you can go to employees. So as you can see, now we are in this employee list and currently there is only one employee, which is myself. And you can see different types of other details such as the email, the phone number, the position and also the department. I'm also going to show you in a bit how to add department and then add specific people to that department. So now if you want to add more employees to your account on your organization, all you have to do is click on this invite button. And then now, as you can see, you can add 3 of your employees at the same time. If you want more, you can also click on add and another box will appear. So all you have to do is give the email of your employee, the first name and the last name. And then you can send an invitation to your employee. So once that employee accepts your invitation, he will be able to join your Uspacy dashboard or account. And you can also click on this mass invitation if you want to add a lot of people at once. So now let's close this box and check out some other features. So when there are a lot of employees, you can also search for a particular employee from here. And on the top right side, as you can see, there is a chat button. So if you open this, So on this section, all of your internal chats, which means private chats, are going to appear. And you can also see all of your contacts on here. And then you can also go to external lines. And external lines means you can integrate Uspacy with other messaging apps. The integration options, you can see all of them on this marketplace. So let's click on this. Now, as you can see, here is a full list of all the apps that you can integrate with Uspacy to exchange messages between your employees. And then there is another option which is called company structure. So on this section, you can add various departments. As you can see, currently I have employee department, management department, upper department, and you can also create a new department from here. So click on this. Now you have to provide the name, the description for your department, and you also have to provide the place of this department on your company structure. And then you have to add the employees. You also must designate someone as the head of this department. And then you can add employees. Then you can create a department just like these departments. And a great feature is if you click on these three dots, you can add a sub-department into this employee department. So that is another great feature. And then obviously there is a chat option that I have already showed you. You can access all your internal chats on here, and the external ones are going to be on this section. Now let's go to tasks. So this is another great feature by Uspacy. You can add various tasks, and you can also assign those tasks to certain employees. So let's first create a task. For that, click on this create. The task is going to be, for example, make a video. Now you can add the person responsible for this task. You can select the deadline. You can also change the priority. So it could be high, very high, neutral, not high, low. You can select the participants, the observers. You can also see who created this task, and you can also select a group. And you can also add a new task from this plus icon or this new task. So let's click on this plus icon and then add a task, make a video, and then click on enter. And now if I close this one, as you can see, this task has been added. And now you can select the deadline from here. You can add a specific person. You can change the priority. And if you do not want to view this task on a list view, you can also change it to a Kanban view. So as you can see, now you can drag and drop your task in different stages. Currently, there are only 2 stages. You can also create another stage. For that, go to this and then click on plus. So let's name it stage 3. You can also choose the color, and then you have to click on the sign icon. So as you can see, now the number 3 stage has also been created. Now you can drag and drop this task into various other stages. And another feature of Uspacy is these groups. So on this section, you can add various groups according to the department of your company. So let's add a group. For example, this group is only for upper management. You can also add a description. You can select the group type. So let's make it public. You can select the owner, the moderators, and also the members, and then click on create. So as you can see, now this group is created. Now, if you open this group, so let's open. So on this group, you're going to get a whole new space where you can share whatever you want among the members of this particular group. You can create tasks among this group. You can also chat on this group, and you can also change various settings of this group. And last but definitely not the least feature of Uspacy is the CRM and sales. Uspacy has their own CRM where you can add your leads. So let's go to this section. Now you can add various leads. So click on add lead. You have to provide the name, the middle name, company name, position, and other details. And then you can add the lead to database. You can also add various deals, and you can change the view if you want. So on this deal section, you can change it to Kanban view or list view. Then there is contacts, companies. You can add various companies who are your leads. You can add activities, and for activities, there is another feature upcoming, which is calendar feature. You can add call log, and you can also add various products. Overall, I think Uspacy is an excellent tool. It gives you a CRM where you can manage your sales activities. It also gives you a social platform. For example, the newsfeed is very similar to social platform, and that social platform is obviously not public. It is limited to the employees of your company. So that is amazing. You can share various stuff. You can add employees, you can create groups, you can create departments. So overall, I have to say Uspacy is an excellent tool, specifically for corporate people. So if you want to buy this tool from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this deal, you are going to get various features, and some of them are here. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also another tier if you're interested in that. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.